Hi guys, hope you're well. Today we're going to be doing a first look and an overview of these First Strike tactical gloves. Let's get to it. Get them on, first impressions. Quite stretchy, good bit of movement straight away. The leather's quite thick actually, so almost instant warmth putting these on. Yeah. Good fingertip dexterity. I mean, after all, these have been designed to be used by military, so yeah, you could definitely operate your firearm with these. I can feel my fingertips very well. You could activate safeties and switches, so yeah, that's one test I'm not going to be putting them through. But yeah, first impressions, very comfortable, instantly warm, which is a good thing. So yeah, let's get a few tests and see how they perform. Well, I can get my knife out and access the ferro rod. No problem using that. The grip feels really good in the hand, on the handle of this knife. Really good actually. So yeah, you could definitely carve away confidently knowing you've got some finger protection there when you get into doing some intricate work where your fingers are dangerously close to the cutting edge. These gloves will definitely provide you with some excellent protection, being leather. Yeah, definitely happy with that. No problem. Right, let's go for using the saw now and do a cut pretty close to the hand. So without the gloves on, you'd be risking nicking the side of your hand if you had a slip. The gloves allow extra purchase on the wood, so yeah, they're actually really comfortable as well. They're actually getting sweaty already because it's not that cold today, which is brilliant. Let's go with some axe use. Grip feels really good. Yeah, really good grip. No complaints there. Yep, no problems. Right, let's go for a grip test on this log. It's mossy, it's wet. Yeah, no, really good grip actually. I don't think we'll have any problems moving anything around with these gloves. They'll definitely cope with some brushland and thorns. They're really thick leather actually, much thicker than I anticipated. So yeah, overall performance so far, grip, even on this wet wood, really, really good. So gathering and processing materials, plenty of grip, protection from splinters, no brainer. Just checking these gloves out for digging performance. Can't feel any of the sharp stones. There's no wet permeating through the palm or the leather. So yeah, that seems to be another positive. If you had some digging to do in a survival or bushcraft situation, these gloves seem pretty damn tough. Decent tactical gloves will also stop you picking up friction burns and damaging your hands when using cordage. No worries. So another cool aspect of these First Strike gloves is this knuckle armour and how thick it is. I cannot stress enough how hard this stuff is. You can't feel it against your knuckles at all when you're pressing on it. So as soon as you put these gloves on, you have a line of defence. So if you were attacked by an assailant and you're wearing a pair of these gloves, I mean, you can wear these gloves whenever you want. You could go and walk your dog wearing these gloves. You haven't got to wear them for a survival or bushcraft. You can just wear them purely to keep your hands warm, knowing that you then have a line of defence. So I'm just going to throw a few punches into my mate Bob here, and we'll see if I can feel anything or, you know, how they perform. So let's do it. Absolutely awesome. Cannot feel that at all. And like I say, these are rock hard, these knuckle pads. If you hit someone with these, they're going to know about it. So let's summarise. What do I think of these First Strike gloves? Well, performance wise, they've been awesome. They've picked up a tiny bit of superficial damage to the dyed area, which is to be expected. Hasn't affected the performance whatsoever. There's been no water penetration through the palms when I've been using them. They've kept my hands nice and warm. And the armoured side of things, these things are awesome, rock hard. So impressed with the armour side of it. What I really like about these gloves as well is the colour palette and the tone. It blends in really well with the camouflage, and I love that aspect. So from the protection, the look, you know, the added benefit with this knuckle armour, so you can actually use these to defend yourself as well. Absolutely amazing. I think anyone doing survival training or bushcrafting would benefit from some decent tactical gloves. So if you've enjoyed this video, please give it a like and subscribe to my channel for similar content. I'll see you next time.